All right, this one's coming in from a taxpayer that says, hey, Karla, thinking about exiting in my business. What is the best approach to exit my company without paying the highest taxes?
Oh, that's a really good question. So here's the thing. When a person is thinking about selling their business, they really got to decide from a different perspective whether they're doing an asset sale or whether they're doing a stock sale. And that's really going to be predicated upon what type of business they're in. Most businesses are selling out of a corporation. They're doing a stock sale, which is advantageous to the seller. Here's the thing that you got to think about. What's the difference between an asset sale versus a stock sale? I think that's so important for people to understand. An asset sale is where you're literally are selling the assets in your business. You're selling your trucks, you're selling your equipment, you're selling things that are in your business that help to operate that business. That type of sale is advantageous to the buyer, not really the seller. The seller actually needs to do a stock sale. They have to be in the right entity to do a stock sale because you have to be in an entity that issues stock, an S corporation or C corporation, and preferably a C corporation, but I'm gonna come back to why I said preferably a C corporation. The reason why you wanna be in an entity that actually issues stock is because in order to sell stock, you gotta have stock. And the only two entities that do that are, of course, the S corporation, the C corporation.